So right here we have a serial link on top and a Ethernet cable on the bottom running over fiber cable. And we have the 4.0 network right here /30. So this will be .1, and this interface, the serial interface on this side will be .2. Same thing we're here. This is /30. So the next logical network is .4 because we go from .0 to .4 with a /30. And this will be .5. This will be .6. So if we click on this and go to the command line interface and go to enable show IP interface brief, you can see everything's up and up. 4.1, 4.5 on this side, and 4.1 that's associated with the serial link, and 4.5 associated with the fast Ethernet 4.0 link. And what we can do here is we can go to this side and let's look at the Ethernet. Let's look at the layer 2 for the bottom side, which is Ethernet. So we can go to enable and then show interface F4/0, because that's what that is. So we could see that the this is Ascension 7495, and we can further isolate. We can say show interface F40, and we can run the pipe and then include, and we can do, let's see, hardware. And we can see that the hardware, we can isolate the output commands with include hardware, and it shows us this MAC address. Now it ends in 7495, and we can go on this side, and we can ping. We can ping 192.168.4.6, and it's going to work at 80% because of ARP. That's why it's on 100%. Now it'll work 100%. We can do show IP ARP, and that shows us the IP command as associated with the hardware command. That's address resolution protocol, of course, and then that ends in 7495. Now on this end, we could actually go to this interface 40 interface F40, and we can actually change the MAC address. So we can do MAC address, and we can say 00D0.FF1E. Let's do 7588. So we're going to change the MAC address. So we're going to do show interface F4/0 pipe I for include hardware, and we can see that the new MAC address is 7588, but the burned-in MAC address is still 7495. Now the difference between the BIA and what it says here is the burned-in address cannot be changed. This will always be 7495, but because we ran the MAC address command, we've actually temporarily changed it to 7588. Now, if we go back to here, we can do the show IP ARP command, and we can now see that the hardware address is 7588. Okay? Now let's go ahead and ping 4.6, 100%. And show IP ARP again. We can see it's 7588 as opposed to what it was before, 7495. Okay? That's one thing. And let's go ahead on this side. And you know what? I'm going to, and that's it. I just want to show you that.